In the previous lecture, we placed generated reports in the same drawing. We can also put these reports in separate sheets, as I have shown you a report in previous lecture. After updating bill of material reports, we will also update missing bill of material report. One way to copy the bill of material to another drawing is simplest way is to just click and select the clipboard, go to copy that report and move to another drawing, go to clipboard and paste the report in the drawing. As you can see, the reports are in different format setting, different fonts, because we have used different templates for both these drawing. So that is also one of the changes. Now I want to scale my report to fit the drawing. Select the whole report and increase its scale. Now you can see it's almost fit my drawing. Now we want to make some changes in this report to rearrange the list of the components in our report. So just click the report option, bill of material, and for active drawing, yes, okay, I want to save it. And now I want to edit this report. Like, let's suppose I want to move these CR1, CR2 above the CB1. So what we will do, I want to rearrange this list in proper order. So what I want to do is I will go to edit mode and I want to move this CR1 before CR2 and similarly move PB1 and PB6 above the list. Yeah, in that way, CB1, CR1, CR2, PB1, PB6, and in this way I want to move it LT2 and LT3 in the list above the list. Similarly move M1. Let's suppose I want to rearrange this whole list. Now to go to OK, return to report. We can also delete the component. Put that report in my drawing. I want to put that report in my drawing, and that is table format. You can also check these other table format styles. So I will go with the inch format style. We can also update the existing list, because for the first time we have that option, but now is the report is present in my list in my drawing, so it shows me the update existing list. So I want to update that list and see whether it is updated or not. You can see it's now properly updated in my drawing. So in this way we can update our list: CB1, CR1, CR2, PB1, PB6, LT2, LT3. So that you can see these are all updated now. We can also make more changes in the table, like let's suppose first move this whole table by moving the move circuit, copy the whole circuit, click OK. Now I want to make some more changes. I want to make changes in the table format. Just click any of the cell and you will see this is the whole options are related to the table. So what we can do, we can make so many changes in this table to rearrange or relocate the text format, or we can even change the style of the table. So we can do multiple things, like we can change the fonts and change the color of the fonts. So we can do multiple things, like let's suppose I want to insert a row above. So what we will do, we will have to click that option. You will see there is another row inserted. Insert below or delete that row. If you want to delete that row, just click on any of the cell, the whole row will be deleted. So in this way we can delete these rows. Similarly, we can insert the columns in the list, like on the left side or on the right side. We can delete the columns. So these are important functions that we can also merge the cells, like I want to select these cells and merge these cells. Now let's see, I want to merge these cells by selecting all the cells which cells do you want to merge, just click on these, merge all, or merge by row, or merge by column. So I want to merge by column. Only the content of the first cell will be retained when the cells are merged. So you can see all the cells are merged together now in my list. So I can also go to unmerged cell, all the cells will be unmerged now. Now make few more changes, like I want to make changes in the whole table. Is I want to move these tags or these text to middle of the table. So I want to make it in the middle center. You can see it's still above the list. So what I want to do is I want to move it to bottom center. So that's actually our bottom right or bottom center. You can see all the cells are now relocated. Its text is now in that position. To relocate it and move it to middle center, you will see it's now moved to my middle location. In our drawings, we can also edit the borders by changing the line weight, line type, color. We can remove these lines. If you want to remove these lines, just click that line which you want to remove. Or just as we can arrange the data in MS Word tables or Excel tables. Cell locking, let's suppose I want to lock that cell, just move that, and I want the content locked, format locked, or content, and I want to lock that cell. Now no one can make changes to that cell. So you can see if I select that option, I can do nothing, like the other options are hidden now. So data format, which format you want to do, block, and there are, you can work on the multiple options. Like we can also insert the formulas and apply formulas on the table rows or columns. That's the procedure of rearranging the data or make changes in a table. Just click any of the cell and you will find another option which is not included in AutoCAD Electrical, but you will find it here. In the reports, I want to make some more things like format setup files. We'll just go through these setup files. So I want to just give you an overview about this report format file. Just click that option and click bill of material. All the other options are included in the reports also. You will see the format file. These are some extra things in this format setup file, and some of these options. And in the report name, you will see in the selection area there are two types of reports: schematic report and panel report. We are only interested in schematic report, so we will only work in these reports. We can make changes of format setup file. We can generate setup file of all these components, whether you want to which type of component. We haven't learned the PLC till now, so we will not discuss about it. So just move on the bill of material and generate few files. What I want to do now, I will select that option, normal delete format, and schematic, everything is okay. Save format file, and there is another option, change report fields. If you want to remove any of the option, just do that and save reports to file. Click that option, and here you can see there are different types of reports. Like I can generate Excel file, I can generate ASCII file. In ASCII file there are actually two options, REP or text file. Whether you want REP file or text file, you can generate these files. So first of all, just generate an Excel file, give it a name like moving with the same name, Greenwood, BOM Excel. I want that file and name it .xls because it is an Excel file. So I want to copy it to my desktop and click OK. Now in my format setup file, you can see it's unnamed, so I want to save that file on desktop, save my file to give it a name .set. So I have Greenwood BOM Excel. Excel file. Its name will be .set. Its extension is .set. You can see it's now renamed. Now if you want to save another report to file, just click that option, uncheck that box and include all the data, and give it the similar name like Greenwood BOM ASCII file. Whether you want REP file or text file, you can select from that option. Click OK. You can see its file extension is Greenwood BOM Excel. So I can save format file, it will be saved.